Greetings! Mrs. Middleton here to guide you through the next edition of Apes in the Home, with our current topic being population growth and resource availability. Let's do this. Population growth is limited by environmental factors, especially by the available resources in space. Some examples of environmental factors are soil, water, and climate. As the graph shows above, the areas on Earth where environmental factors are in the optimal range will have an area with higher populations and a larger number of organisms living there. You can probably guess that on Earth, one of those areas would be near the equator. There will be less organisms living in areas where there are limited factors. One thing to keep in mind is that resource availability and total resource base are limited and finite over all scales of time. Even the sun, the ultimate resource, has a timestamp on it, and eventually our star will die. Sorry to be a downer. On a shorter scale of time, you have water, which is already becoming scarce in certain areas. Just as a recap, since we are on the topic, this image of a J-curve or exponential curve should be familiar with you and should tell you that the resources needed by this population are abundant. Remember that the resource base of a population is going to control the carrying capacity of a population. When the resource base of a population shrinks, say there is a drought where these moose are living, the increased potential for unequal distribution of resources will ultimately result in increased mortality, decreased fecundity, which is the ability to reproduce, or both, resulting in population growth declining to or below the carrying capacity. That's it for population growth and resource availability. If you have any questions, explore them through the World Wide Web or notify your teacher. I'm Miss Middleton. Have a great rest of your day.